Happy Men's Day. Please celebrate International Men's Day on the 19th of November with me. I'm very happy to know that there is an organization called Vastav Foundation to protect the rights of men. We always have been talking about the rights of women, but there are a lot of men who are suffering at the hands of women, which is very, very unfortunate and very painful. I think the legal system must look into it, and sometimes men have been arrested without any evidence just because the woman said something, and there have been many cases which were false. There are examples, and this is my request and appeal to the legal system to look into this matter. Thank you very much.